Is meditation the only way to practice mindfulness? Is it all about just thinking about yourself and focusing on your inner well-being? Well, you can start practicing mindfulness in being happy in whatever situation you are. Start appreciating whatever you have received as a gift from God. Be humble, be generous, be courteous. Thank the Almighty for giving you what you have with you. You need to be honest to yourself. If you have come this far, there is a power, there is something which is helping you. You have already achieved a lot of things in life. Why not to think about those things which you have already achieved in life rather than to think about what you want to or you haven't? You may want to develop certain mindful practices which will make you feel kinder, calmer, more patient. It will bring changes in your overall life. Being mindful is not about fixing a particular problem. It is not about anything that has to do with any personal emotions. It's not escape from reality. It's not about stopping your thoughts. So while you're brushing your teeth, doing your dishes, doing laundry, any activity which you're doing, driving, exercising, you can practice mindfulness while enjoying that particular activity. Just imagine you are brushing your teeth, and while brushing your teeth, you're just smiling and enjoying the entire process of brushing the teeth. You're feeling the brushes, the paste in your mouth, the sensation it gives once you clean your mouth with water. The amount of the paste that comes out of your mouth shows that your mouth is now clean. You're entirely enjoying the entire process. So while doing your dishes, while washing utensils, you are just thoroughly enjoying how the brush is going over the utensil and how the soap is cleaning the oil which is there on the utensil. So while doing the laundry, you can see and feel how the dirt is being removed from the clothes. While driving, you are experiencing every person that comes your way, a person driving, a poor man riding on his rickshaw, school children going to their school on their bicycle. While you're exercising, you're looking at your muscles, the way the muscles are growing and how fit you're becoming every day. Once you get your kids ready to bed, you're enjoying how happy they are to listen to the story from their grandmother. So everything which you're doing, every activity which you're doing in the day, you are enjoying that particular activity. You are practicing mindfulness. And this is the beauty of this important concept of being mindful. It's really difficult to bring your thoughts, yourself to the present and enjoy the moment. And that's what you, being mindful, need to do. You need to start enjoying the life. You need to bring your attention back to the breath, to the breathe which you take, to the air that flows out of your mouth and goes inside your nose. You need to feel and notice each inhalation and exhalation. You need to engage your senses completely. If your mind wanders, goes around, just let it go and bring it back. You can practice mindfulness in relationship. Enjoy every minute you are spending with your family, your near and dear ones. Focus attention while you're doing any activity during the day. This is how you're going to, bring mindfulness in your life. Just free your mind. step back and accept who you are. Experience things with different perspective. Practice mindfulness in relationship. Build more resilience. Be more passionate. Have compassion. Think about others from their perspective. Do not react, but respond. Now, these are the things which you can do and practice mindfulness in your life.